the way I'm not even speaking so much on this vlog, like I'm just happy, genuinely happy. So I'm finally done in V&A and I'm just waiting for my Uber to go to my hotel and be able to check in and then give you guys a quick room tour. Yeah, we'll see which one I give you first. Either this video or the room tour is going to be out. Hey guys, so I'm gonna quickly give you guys a quick room tour before I can have like a chit chat conversation with you guys, okay? So as you enter, you are met by this bathroom. It is so cute, like it's so cute. The fact that they have a bathtub is what's important. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then it has like that bathtub and shower combination. Then we have the toilet over there, the bin over there, and then we have that and that. And yeah, as usual, you got your cute girly. So as you enter this side, you are met by this stunning bed, and obviously those lights over there, and then it's your cute girly. It looks like there's no light here. The only light is there in the bathroom as well as there, okay? And then when you get over here, it's this table and obviously me, and then these are just some of my stuff, my handbag and my unnecessary stuff that are here, okay? And then when we come here, we have this is what we have, the silent tea. It's so dark. We have the silent tea and that, and then we have a kettle, And then with the 2 couches over here, then let me show you guys my view, how pretty it is. I'll probably show you guys in the morning, but yeah, over there it's like the harbor. And then Long Street is not far from here. Actually, Long Street is definitely not far from here. And then downstairs is like the swimming pool, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah guys. Hey guys, so I am off to Long Street. So it's currently like 8:30 now, so I'm hoping to like be back at like 11 or 12. Hey, 11 or 12 o'clock, that's my aim. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get my Uber now, then we're off to Long Street. Mwah. Long Street and I am going. I'm gonna take my welcome back to my channel. It's another day and I just woke up from what do you call this? I just woke up now because I came back at the hotel at like 3 a.m. in the morning from Long Street, because guys, one thing about Long Street, it's definitely like my morning but worse. Like, yo guys, the hangover. So now I just want to quickly like take a shower and then go to breakfast. I extended my checkout time because my flight is at like 3 o'clock, so I extended my checkout time until 12. At least I'll be at the airport for like, I don't know, an hour, I think, or 1 hour 30 minutes. And then yeah, but yeah guys, this is my view. Let me show you guys. That's my view from my hotel room. Unfortunately I won't get time to go to the beach. Yeah, I just don't think I'll get time to go to the beach. I really won't. But yeah, then there's some people checking out downstairs there, like some tourists and stuff. But yeah, anyways, let me go and have some breakfast, come back to my hotel, come back to my room, and then like just pack because my room is a mess. Like, it was so cold in this room last night, so I had to like sleep in my sweater and shit, you know. It was very, very cold. So yeah guys, let's go back. Really just living my life, honestly speaking. I am living my life. This was like literally the best 21st I could ever have. Literally. Club hopping, it's my shit from now on. Definitely my shit. Hey guys, so now I'm off to breakfast. I want to show you guys my outfit before I leave, because I am eating this dress, honey. I am literally eating this dress. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you quickly the outfit that I'm wearing, and then yeah, off to breakfast.